Welcome to UGC NET and GATE Computer Science students. So here I'll be teaching another important question from computer network and data communication from UGC NET as well as GATE Computer Science. So here it is about finding average code length using Huffman coding technique. Okay, and it will be used in encoding technique and Shannon theory of concepts. Okay, so here the problem statement is nothing but text from characters. Actually, if you are sending some data over communication line, so this will be make it as encoding so that it will be compressed and send over communication line. It will be reaching other end and they will be decode it. Okay, so for that this encoding technique used, and here okay, so here okay, we'll be having this problem statement. So they want to send a text, and this will be combination of some characters. What are those characters? Nothing but A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and they given its probability. So which mean if any characters made as text, okay, and what is the proportion of each and every letters we are sending, which mean they given probability, total probability equal to n. Okay, 1. Okay, so here a is sending 0.11, which mean if I send 100 character in a text, okay, I'm sending 11 character as a, like that. Number of character I'm sending as 40 with B, and C 16, and D 9 letters, E 24 letters. Okay, so then in Huffman coding technique, in order to send any characters, it will follow some zeros and ones binary code. Okay, it have its own code length also. Okay, which mean it is not a constant coding length, it is varies coding length algorithm. And they given options as 2.40 is average code length, and 2.16, 2.26, 2.15. You want to check it. It's very simple, interesting concept. What you want to keep here is you want to represent with the following up and representation. So I want to first to take this probability with the least to higher. Okay, so I want to take first least to probability. Here is what is 0.09, then followed by this is one, this second least, and next one is this third least, this is fourth least, and highest probability is this one. Okay, first I am taking least to probability 0.09, and the character is nothing but D. Okay, so now here next list is 0.11. Okay, corresponding character is D. Okay, so now you want to combine these two probability with the sum. Okay, so now what happened, it is nothing but 2.0. Okay, 0.11 plus 0.09 is nothing but 2.0. Again this should be combined with the next least, okay, which is nothing but 0.16. If you are combining, we will be getting 0.36. Again this should be combined with the corresponding 0.16 is nothing but letter C. Now next list is 0.24, which is nothing but E. Okay, so now what happened, and we want to add it, so we'll be getting 0.6. okay, so now again it should be add up with the next list probability, which is nothing but 0.4, and the corresponding letter is B. Okay, we will be getting 1.0 as probability. Okay, after getting the final probability, you want to represent code as from here 0 1 like that, 0 1 like that, 0 1 like that, 0 1. Okay, so now we got binary codes. Okay, so suppose what we want to do here is, suppose I want to send B as letter, then what is the code I want to send, okay, which is nothing but, so starting from here, okay, so this is the 0 alone here, that is nothing but code for sending B. In order to send B as letter in encoding technique, they will be sending 0 as B. Okay, so now for B code is 0. Got it right. Okay, so now next in order to send E, what you are sending, so now traveling from here, 1 is there and then followed by 0. Okay, this means 1 0 is actually code I want to send if we want to send E. Okay, are you getting or not? Okay, so now in order to send C, what I want to send, okay, I want to send 1 followed by 1 followed by 0. Okay, so now to send C, I want to send 1 1 0. Okay, so next I want to send A, what I want to send, okay, 1 1 1 0. Okay, 1 1 1 0. Okay, this we want to send. Okay, now for A, 1 1 1 0. Okay, for D, what do you want to do? 1 1 1 1. Okay, I want to send this one. Okay, so now D is nothing but 1 1, 4 ones, right? Okay, so what is the respective code length here? For A, it is nothing but 4. For B, it is nothing but 1. Okay, now for C, it is nothing but 3. For D, it is nothing but 4. For E, it is nothing but 2. Okay, so now if they are asking what is the code we want to send for sending C, then code is nothing but 110. The corresponding length is nothing but 3. Okay, so like that you want to do. Okay, so now they are asking average code length. Average code length. Okay, so which is nothing but the sum of the product of actual probability along with its code length. Okay, so now 0.11 into 4 plus 0.11 is probability for this A, its corresponding code length is nothing but 4 plus 0.40 into 1 plus 0.16 into 3 plus okay, next is 0.09 into 4 plus 0.24 into 2. Okay, so you want to add up all those things. Okay, now it is nothing but 0.44, this is nothing but 0.40. Okay, this is nothing but 0.16 30 40 48, right? Okay, plus 0.9 into 4 27 36, right? Okay, that is 0.36 plus 0.24 into 4 0.48. if you add all the things, you'll be getting what? Okay, 0.44 0.40 0.48 0.36 0.48. Okay, now 8 14 22 26 2 and it will be 2 20 coming 2 2. Okay, 2.26. sorry, I think here we have some issue. Sorry, this will be 12 12 16 19 21, sorry, 20 21, so it is nothing but 2.16. Okay, so 2.16 is nothing but option B. Option B is correct. Thank you for watching.